people say that Makase, oh, me percent. You see, there's a difference. Bawumia will win, and I want Bawumia to win are two different things. Bawumia will win because the chief reason is that the delegate structure number is 61%. You know, it hasn't changed. It's still 80%. Addition is not going to go. So the system that brought Bawumia in 2023, 80% of that system, 78% still remains. So it's not you say you want Bawumia to win. Bawumia will win because of this. Two, the polls. Smasa Panfo Barometer Conrad, which is an internal mechanism that affiliate to the NPP. No?
Right.
They are predicting for Bawumia. So Bawumia will win is different from you just say to want Bawumia to win. I want to make that say.
Right.
But the reason I was talking about the playing field is that I drive a car. I can't come and say, who's all the way say? Say, I want to bufu.
Yeah.
But we free. And I dancing. I quite just what? Who said that so?
Sure.
Why make I say? A field is a level play for me a fair say, oh, we are worried.
Right.
Nipa no oji to menya. But you see, a koyi bi say ya. But all men are supposed to be, and then because say you are going into a 2028 election where you suffered your worst defeat for a long time. Only parliament control. Aqua, election waboka because of the way the election have gone, waboka. By 2028, you'll be man of straw. So you need to tone down. The leadership need to present a fronter. It's unified. I'm not from a black worst things about Canada. The point didn't see a statement. Let's be fair. Let's be fair. It doesn't mean I like the time of movement. I try and manage issues. I don't need Bawumia's money. Or my 100, I won't change my life. With the greatest of respect, so I don't need that. But I go community artist do. Go can some of Kikafa Canada Japan who YouTube and TikTok on the yeah. Aqua Sabe, the man my yena yakeka hunsam. Have you seen a statement from the party? No. Let's be fair. You see, they don't make us say, see, when we are doing journalism and politics, making, we be commenting and say, oh, we do about see, they be make us say, 2024, I've worked in this station for 5 years. Minimum piece and almost from can say Eugene. Truth will always make you stand out. Truth. The more I edge na baby.